Hello student, today I am going to discuss chapter What Books and Burials Tell Us. In this chapter, we will learn about the literary source of the Aryan civilization. The Vedas are the most important literary evidence of the Aryan civilization. The four Vedas, Rig Veda, Sam Veda, Yajur Veda and Athar Veda were written by the Aryans. The Vedas give a lot of information about the religious practice of the Aryans. They also give a details of the lifestyle of Aryans. Apart from the four Vedas, the Vedic text also included Brahmans and the Aryaks and the Upanishads. In the Rig Veda, there is a collection of the prayers offering to Agni, Indra, Varun, and Surya. It consists of 1028 hymns. And in the Samveda, it contains tune for the prayers of Rig Veda. And Yajur Veda, it contains hymns and rituals which have to accompany with recitations. And at the last, Athar Veda, it contains incantations, charms, and magical formulas of word of spirit. In the Rig Veda, there three gods are especially given: Agni, Som. This is Som, a plant from which a special drink was prepared. And next is Indra. Indra, a warrior god, and at the last, Agni. Hindu, god of divine illumination, and he is also Agni is also considered a god of fire. And other gods were also worshipped by the Aryans. These were Varun, water god; Prithvi, goddess of the earth; Aditi, mother of gods; Usha, goddess of dawn; and Ratri, spirit of night; Aryani, lady of forest; and Soma, the god of a plant giving an intoxicating drink. These Vedas were composed by the rishis, and priests taught students to recite and memorize the each syllabus, word and sentence bit by bit with the great care. On that time, the Gurukul system was prevalent on this period, and the teacher was called Guru, and education was imparted in ashrams, and Sanskrit language was prominent. What was use of the horse and chariots in the life of the Aryans? There are many prayers in Rig Veda for cattle, children, and horses, because horses were yoked to chariots that were used in battles, which were fought to capture cattle, cattle, and battles were also fought for land, which was important for pasture and for growing hardy crops with that ripened quickly, such as barley. Some battles were also fought for water and to capture people. Some of the wealth that was obtained was kept by leader, and some was given to the priest, and rest of was distributed amongst the people. Some wealth was used for the performance of yajnas and sacrifices, in which offerings were made into the fire. These were meant by for god and goddess, and offering could they include ghee, grain, in some cases animals. Megaliths. The megalith culture was prevalent in the South India during the 1000 BC. In this culture, the burial sites were marked by the large stone called megaliths. It is also believed that the megaliths were put up by nomads as a landmarker to recognize the site on their return. First point, these the megalith burials were underground and these were used on the surface to mark the burial spot and served as a signpost. The second thing is the many objects have been found in the burial in addition to human skeletons, pottery, tools, weapons, and ornaments. This suggests that they practiced hunting as well as farming. The grave also contained large number of pots filled with ash and the charred bones. Some fragments of rice are also found in graves. It indicates that they grew grains. The object like large number of pots and ornaments indicate the higher position of the dead in the tribe. Inamgaon. Inamgaon was a Chalcolithic site located on the bank river of River Gond, Maharashtra. The people were mainly farmers. They used tools made of stone and copper, and the room were rectangular in shape and was built of mud. And the roof was usually made of thatch and grass. The tools consisting of blades and microliths. Few grinding stones which were used for crushing grains were excavated. People cultivate rice, wheat, ragi, and jowar. They also domesticated animals like cattle, sheep, goat, and dogs. Certain terracotta figures were found in these regions, and some were similar to the mother goddess. The most popular was the animal figure, the bull. Pottery kilns have been found at Imamgaon, which are evident that pottery was one of the occupation of the people. It was also found that clay pots containing food and water were placed along with the body in the burial sites, which proves that they believe in the life after death. Almost all the Chalcolithic sites in central and western India declined between the 1500 BC and 500 BC. So, I hope that you have understood all the things about the literary source of Aryan civilization. Thank you very much.